Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the complete JavaScript course. This course is for those who want to increase their JavaScript knowledge as a front-end web developer, and we are going through step by step from beginner to advanced class. So before jumping out to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So first we are going to take a look to the agenda of this course, then we are going to jump over to the introduction. So first let's take a look to the agenda. First we are going to talk about the introduction, then we are going to go through the syntax, comments, variables, and let and const operators, arithmetic, assignments, data types, functions, objects, strings, arrays. Then we are going to go through the talk about the math, random, booleans, FNLs, loops, sets, maps, type of or type conversion, and then we are going to talk about the errors. After that we are going to talk about the error function, classes, models, debugging, and many more. So there are a lot of topics to cover in this course. So for not missing any of these topics, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. And at the end of this course, we are going to create the tic-tac-toe game, calculator, rock paper scissors, and snake game, and many more projects that we are going to cover at the end of this course. Alright, so first we are going to take a look to the introduction of JavaScript. So now what's the JavaScript? JavaScript is a technology that we use to create a website. For creating a website, we need three technologies. So the first one is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So the HTML is used for creating a simple text, images, and forms. But CSS will add style into your web page, like colors, positions of elements, animation, and so on. And the JavaScript is used to add some functionality into your button and your form. So as you can see on the screen, there is a simple text and two buttons. One which has the JavaScript code and the second one which doesn't have a JavaScript code. So when I click on the button, as you can see, what will happen? So when I click on a button, as you can see, it pops up a message that button clicked. But when I click on the second button, nothing will happen because it doesn't have the JavaScript code. So this is the uses of the JavaScript. JavaScript will add some functionality into our button, into our form, and so on. So mostly people, when they are starting the first time of JavaScript, they ask three common questions. The first one, how do I get JavaScript? Where can I download JavaScript? And is JavaScript free or not? So let me inform you that every computer or every browser has a JavaScript. If you use computer, tablet, and smartphone, they all has the JavaScript installed in their browser. And also the JavaScript is free for everyone, everywhere. You can use the JavaScript wherever you want and whichever device you prefer. So now let's take a look at a simple demo of the JavaScript code. So first, just open the browser and just right click on the screen, click on inspect, and as you can see on the right side, here you can see the elements, console, and sources. So let's click on a console here. So for now we are going to type our JavaScript code right here. So first let's type alert. Let's open and close brackets, and here let's add a colon, and here we're going to type a message, hello. At the end we are going to use a semicolon, and when I press enter, as you can see, it will pop up some message that hello. The text is hello and it is alert. It will alert us. And also if you say welcome, and press enter. As you can see, it will say welcome. And also you can add some mathematics, or 2 plus 2, plus 2, well, 4, or you can say 2 minus 2, well, 0. So as you can see on the screen, these are called JavaScript code. And also you can change the HTML text by using the JavaScript. Let me show you. So let's type document dot get element by ID, and here we're going to open and use opening and closing brackets, and inside the quotation or double quotation I'm going to mention the name of the ID that I have used in this text, and then dot inner HTML, and let's remove the, and here I'm going to use a double quotation, and here I'm going to type a message. Changed. So as you can see, I have targeted that ID and want to change this simple text into this. So when I press enter, as you can see, it will change. It's going to change. So as you can see, these are called the JavaScript code, and opening and closing brackets, these colons, this semicolon is called the syntax. So the syntax are the rule of a programming language. Like the English language has a rule which is a grammar, same that programming language has a rule which are called syntax, like putting the semicolon at the proper places, adding the curly braces, colon, and so on. Well, we are going to learn about syntax in our future videos. For example, if we type a code here, alert, I'm going to pass hello, and I'm going to remove the colon, and I'm not going to put the semicolon here. So when I put enter, it will pop up a message that uncatch syntax error. So it will show us that there are something missing in our syntax. So the JavaScript is a case sensitive. You need to add the syntax into their proper places. So that's it. Hope you understand until this point. If you think you have learned something from this video, please hit the like button, leave the comment, and don't forget to subscribe.